guys. So I just made my lemon water and I'm about to go work out. I know I sound like kind of like dead right now because I do kind of feel dead. I want to do a like tone arms workout because like look at this. I feel like when I lean back, like my arm fat and back fat kind of bulges a little bit, and I just feel like my arms have gotten like kind of like untoned, which I don't like. And every time I take photos and I just see how big my arms look, it makes me insecure. So instead of just feeling like sorry for myself, I'm going to work out. Oh, my knee. Alright, I just finished my workout. I am so tired. I banged my knee on the floor while I was doing burpees. I mean, it hurt, but I had a mosquito bite on my knee, so now it's super itchy. But yeah, I'm about to post a photo on Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, my info will be right here. So follow me on Instagram and like my photo. I actually did get a PR package. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna get it in one sec. I wanna do my nails today because my nails look crazy. I don't know why this ever focuses, but look, my nails are tragic. They're breaking, they're really bad. I'm just gonna paint them pink. I'll see what I'm gonna do, I'm not really sure. All right, so I got a package from Pixie. I'm probably gonna sit down because this is not working out. I'm so grateful for Pixie. They consistently send me PR and I just really appreciate it. So Pixie, I love you. Thank you so much for, aw, look. They gave me a tote bag that says Allyson on it. That is so cute. Oh, this is perfect for the beach. I love it. Oh my gosh, I was sweating. I don't want to put this on. But this is really cute. I love this. Okay, they sent me their Endless Shade Stick. These are like eyeshadow sticks. The autofocus on this camera is so bad. Oh my goodness. Then I got their large lash mascara. Then, ooh, their glossy lip plumper. I love their glossy lip plumpers. I think I have one. Where did I see it? It's their mint one. It is so good. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend it. But this one is orange, which is kind of scaring me. I wonder how that would look on my skin. So bronzer and highlights. So this is cute. Ugh, I need to clean my room later. Like, it's insane. All right, I'm back from the shower. I'm just gonna quickly do my hair. I don't really know how I want to do it today. Oh my gosh, my room is so bad. If I put my hair up too high, my head looks too long, but I'm kind of sick of just doing this. I'm trying to think, I just uploaded a box braid hairstyles video, so I'm gonna quickly look at what I did because I forget, man. I was gonna do a bun, but I think I might just leave it like this. While my hair is setting, I'm just gonna clean up my room a little bit because it's a little out of control. So I'm gonna clean my room first, then do my nails, then get something to eat. Just in case you're wondering, this is the outfit for today. I'm just wearing biker shorts and a crop top. It's still kind of messy, but it's okay for right now. So I've never actually done gel nails properly. I always use a regular nail polish and then I just like wait till it dries and then put a gel top coat. But today I'm using an actual gel color. It's this nude pink color. To be honest, I really don't want to paint my nails that color. I'd rather paint it white, but I don't have another gel color, so that's what we're gonna use. All right, so I just clipped my nails and I'm just gonna get started. actually taking a lot longer than I expected. I've never used this base coat before, but it's taking forever to dry. So I'm gonna do something dangerous and just paint over my nails with it a little bit sticky. Unless that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know, I've never used base coat. I always skip it. Even when I paint with like regular nail polish, you'll never catch me using base coat because it's just too much. So I'm just gonna get started with painting my nails. Pray for me, guys. Hopefully this comes out good. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Oh no. I don't know how, but the base coat kind of like caught onto a bunch of little hairs, which I do not like. So I'm just gonna remove it with acetone before it gets worse. Oh my gosh, my hands look so pretty. Do you remember how they looked before? They looked crazy. I'm so excited. LED 60 seconds, UV 120. I'm just gonna hit the 60-second button 3 times for good measure, maybe even 4, just to make sure it's dry. So I'm almost done. I am doing the second coat and then I just have to do the top coat for my right hand. My right hand is kind of a hot mess, but we're not gonna talk about it. I haven't had a chance to just like stop and eat something, which is so bad. I have to stop doing that. When I get too focused on like completing tasks, I'll like complete all the tasks, but then I won't like set time for me to just like stop and eat. That's a really bad habit that I need to stop. Like eating is very important. Drinking water, like I probably had like a cup of water. Like I need more water. But I'm excited about my nails. This side is done. It looks so cute. Oh my god, I'm cute again. Look at my nails. I'm finally done. I know this isn't gonna focus, but my nails are cute. I'm gonna start talking like this again. No, I'm kidding. I'm very happy, if you guys can't tell. I definitely want to get more colors because this is literally the only gel color that we have. If you guys have any like favorite gel brands, let me know. I want to check out Valentino. Let me know your thoughts on Valentino. Is it good? Is it not good? I heard it's good, but I don't know. So I got these shoes a couple weeks ago. They're these furry slides, but I just feel like they don't really go with me. Like, I don't think these are me. I got them because my cousin had them and I love them on her. So I thought like when I had them, they'd be cute, but I feel like they're not cute on me. Maybe it's because I don't have a pedicure. I don't know, but if I end up wanting them again, I'll just rebuy them. But for right now, I'm just gonna return them. I feel like I look kind of bright, kind of light. I don't like that. I honestly need to get a tan. I'm so pale. Like I don't like the way my color looks right now. Like I need some color. Is this better or is this too dark? I don't know. I'm gonna eat, then I'm going to basically spend the rest of the day editing because I want to get this video up tomorrow. Oh, sorry. I've been hogging this. I'm not sorry. I'm not. See, my nails are back. So I'm gonna be talking like this now. You guys enjoyed enjoyed spending a day with me. If you guys like these day in my life videos, let me know. I will definitely do more. I enjoy doing them. I think they're kind of fun. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.